Teething is something that you will have to deal with every puppy. And so puppies have their baby teeth coming in, and then between 8 and 12 weeks of age, those are typically all in. And then you have another round of teething when the baby teeth fall out and the adult teeth come in. That happens around 5 months of age. So you'll be contending with teething for a while with your puppy. So recognizing that it's a thing that you have to deal with, we have some strategies for you to help you navigate teething. So the first thing to understand is that you need to provide a variety of textures for your puppy. Sometimes your puppy wants to chew on a soft thing, sometimes they want to chew on a hard thing, sometimes they want to chew on a squishy thing. So if your puppy chews on anything that is yours, pay attention to the texture of that thing. If your puppy is chewing on a pillow or upholstered furniture, they want a soft sensation. So in our puppy teething kit, we give you a couple things that have that soft feel. So you get a little plush animal, and most of the time they'll squeak. You also get a rope. So either of these will satisfy that soft texture that the puppy is looking for. So no, tell them no when they chew on the thing. Give them a correction. Nope, not that. And then, get their attention and try to make it very attractive that they chew on the good thing. And then audibly praise the puppy for chewing on the thing it's supposed to chew on. Good puppy, this is the one. Yeah, that's it. And so it's correcting from them chewing on the bad thing and then redirecting to a good thing and praising for that. If your puppy is chewing on a harder texture, if they're chewing on something like a table leg or something hard like that, then you want to redirect to a hard texture. So for that purpose, we have a hard toy. It's sort of flexible. It's got little nubs on it, which actually massage the gums. But then as they chew on it, it's hard in the middle. Also, we have an edible hard chew. This is actually called a Himalayan chew. It's actually made out of yak and cow milk. It's totally digestible, so over 50% protein. And this sort of a thing is completely edible as the dog chews on it. So this is safe for puppies under supervision. Anything that's consumed, you always want to watch and make sure that they're doing okay with. We also have a tendon chew. This is a bully tendon. And so it's dried into a curled shape. Sometimes they also come in braided shapes. But the idea with this is the puppy can eat it and it tastes good. So redirecting to something like this is really going to keep that puppy interested in it. So again, when you're home, when you're supervising, but that's a good thing for the puppy to chew on. So notice what they're chewing on, redirect to a similar texture that's okay, praise the puppy for chewing on that thing. Now, there's going to be circumstances where the redirection is not working. Sometimes there's certain items of yours that might be very interesting that the puppy just can't resist. And so that's when you would use a chewing deterrent. So we have one called Bitter Works. This chewing deterrent tastes really bad. The way you use it though is you have to catch the puppy in the act, and then if the puppy were to chew on something of yours, you take this Bitter Works, don't say anything to the puppy, don't say anything to the puppy, okay, the puppy's here chewing. We would actually zap them in the mouth with the bad tasting stuff and tell them no, and then you could spray it on what the puppy was chewing. The puppy's gonna run away. Most likely, they're gonna go hide in their crate. This was a nasty taste that just happened. When they come back to the item they were chewing on, it now smells like the nasty taste, and it provides a deterrent. Meanwhile, you're always going to be redirecting to things that are okay for the puppy to chew on. So that's when you'll use this Bitter Works. Gotta catch them in the act, need to get them right in the mouth, and then you would spray it on the item. If you spray it on the item without catching them in the mouth first, it doesn't taste that bad once it dries. The way this works is the association between taste and scent provides the deterrence. So that's the Bitter Works chewing deterrent. We also give you other types of rewards in here in this little assortment. You've got little gimmies. This is very helpful for lure type commands. A lure command teaches your puppy to do a thing for a treat. So you get one little treat in your hand and you put it right in front of the puppy's face, and they smell it and they follow the treat with their nose. That is your key, that they're interested and they're engaged with the treat. And then just based upon how you manipulate the treat and you hold it, You can get the puppy to sit, you can get the puppy to lay down using the little squishy low gimmies treat. So that's perfect for basic obedience training. Finally, we give you what's called a yummy comb. So this is another edible thing. It kind of is in the middle because it starts out hard, but then as they chew it, it gets soft. But this has a honeycomb shape, lots of nooks and crannies. The honeycomb shape actually helps get between the puppy's teeth, so it massages gums as well. And it provides that nice mouth feel when they're teething. So that's in here as well. So that's our puppy kit with the teething supplies in there. That whole assortment is available, and it's discounted to buy it all together as a package. If you have any questions about how any of these items work, ask your pet counselor.